Hey boys and girls, how's it going? So today you have two IXLs. This video is going to be on this one, 8th grade, Q4, dilation, scale factor, and classification. So pay close attention during this video, close attention. All right, there are certain directions that you need to follow here. All right, so now when I'm taking a look at these, you're going to get two types of questions. All right, this is the harder type of question, so we'll start with that first. It says the blue shape, which is right here, is a dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor? So what this means is we start with the black shape, but then we become the blue shape. So what you first want to do is you want to pick a point on black shape. I'm going to pick this guy in the corner here. You want to pick that same point, lower left-hand side of the blue shape, which it would be right here. And the first thing you want to do is find the points of the black shape. So this point would be, if you count it, it's going to be -8, -8. So I'm going to write that down. Okay, and remember, just count that like a board game. So you write that down. And then this one here, this is going to be -2, -2. So here's some advice. I know I have a reduction here, so which means my shape is getting smaller. So when I go to write my answer, if you look at this, it says simplify your answer and write it as a fraction or a whole number. So because I'm doing a reduction, I know it's going to be a fraction with a 1 on top of it. So right away I put 1/. Now next thing I want to do is then I want to divide my large shape point, which is -8, -8, and I want to divide it by my small shape point, which is -2, -2. So all we're really doing is this. I'm going to take my dividing line, and you only have to do it for one set of points. Do -8 divided by -2, which is going to be 4. So what that means is I actually do a reduction of 1/4. So technically what I'm doing is I'm multiplying -8 by 1/4 to get -2. But as we know, if our numerator is a 1, all we have to do is just divide them. But when you have a reduction, you must write a fraction with a 1 in your numerator, okay? Now, we also have questions like this. These ones are definitely easier than the previous one I just did. Okay, so now this type of question right here, this is asking, hold on real quick, let me just delete all this. This is asking me, it says the blue shape, so if you take a look at that triangle, that's the blue shape, is a dilation of the black shape, meaning we started with the black shape, but we ended up with that blue shape. So did we enlarge our shape or did we shrink / reduce our shape? Well, we started with the black, which is tiny, and we ended up with the big one, which is the blue shape. So that's an enlargement. Okay, you're going to get questions like that. Those are the easier ones. This one you can do like that, as long as you read the directions. Now here we go. The orange shape is the dilation of the black shape. So we start with the black and we end with the orange. Is it an enlargement or a reduction? Well, the orange shape is bigger. So we start with black, we go to orange. That's an enlargement. Okay. Now, good. This is another type right here. The purple shape is a dilation of the black shape. So meaning we start with the black and we end up with the purple. So we expanded, got bigger. So now what you want to do is you're going to take your pencil and you're going to identify a point. So for example, I'm going to take the point in the upper left side. I'm going to take this point in the upper left side. I'm going to write down the points. First, I'll do my smaller shape in this clip. First, I want to do my black shape, which is our original shape. It's going to be 2, 2, 3. Now, underneath of it, I want to write the points of this one. So this one's going to be, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So this one's going to be 6, 9. Now, because it's an enlargement, I must use multiplication of a whole number. So I'm going to ask myself, 2 times what gives me 6? Well, 2 times 3. And same thing here, 3 times 3 is 9. Meaning, we dilated this shape by a scale factor of +3. Boom. So those are the 3 types, or actually 4 types of questions you're going to get on here. Enlargements, reductions, and dividing, and the multiplication. But we can go over this in the